Hi guys, you hear the sounds of sleigh bell rides and Christmas bells ringing. Buddy the Elf is ecstatic about seeing Santa.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town. Santa! Oh my God!
We're in the Christmas season, guys, and we can't hide from it like the Grinch who tried to steal Christmas.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are.
Guys, in this part of the world, Christmas does come early, and Canadians as well as Americans and most people all over the world do like to splurge during the Christmas season as well. This is why we have this and incur lots of debt during all that period because we want to please everyone. But wait, in all this, our hearts keep beating fast because our credit card debt keeps rising, but then we let our mind convince us to put the dreaded thoughts of paying our debts after Christmas. Let's be honest, guys, how's that working for you? I'm sure you've thought, if only I can just skip Christmas, just like what the cranks try to do.
We skip Christmas.
Are you playing?
Skip Christmas?
Guys, it doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to share great ways you can celebrate the Christmas holidays without having to break the bank or go full on into debt. Now, this doesn't mean you can't buy gifts or decorate your home to feel festive and cozy, as well as you and your family members having fun at the same time. On the contrary, it simply means finding other alternatives to save some of your money and invest in it, so that when the next Christmas holiday season comes, you'll have many things to do with the money that you've saved. Hi everyone, Frank here, and welcome to my channel, The Money Smart Dude, where you learn about investments, retirement, personal finance, insurance, and a host of other finance topics. If you want to learn how to manage your money and achieve financial freedom fast, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, smash that like button for me so you can get notified by YouTube when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's jump right into the video. Guys, it's safe to say that some of you don't even make enough money to support yourself due to inflation eroding the purchasing power of your income. According to a Gallup report, an average American household will spend around $932 on Christmas gifts. This is up from $837 in 2021. In Canada, a majority of consumers will spend even more than they've planned over the Christmas holiday, which means we still have to spend more money to buy stuffs for Christmas than what we spent last year. This leads me to the first step on how we can save some money during the Christmas season and spread some cheer to everyone around us. Step 1. Creating a budget. Guys, you need to create a budget that you can stick to. Here's a trick for you to do. Sit down by yourself or with your spouse and write down the names of everyone you think needs to get a Christmas gift. Now, once you've done that, you want to prioritize that list so that the most important people go at the top. These are the ones you're most likely to spend money on because they're nearest to you, while the others will fall to the bottom of the list. I would require the least amount of your budgeted funds. Step 2. You need to determine how much you'll be willing to spend on your Christmas budget. You see, my advice to you guys is to write it down. That way, it would help keep you in check and hopefully you won't have to go over your budget. So guys, it's important to note that it's not just about writing down how much you want to spend on Christmas, but you have to figure out how you're going to also pay for that budget. This is step 3. So if it means you have to take an extra hours of work or somewhere else to save that money, then I encourage you to do so instead of using your credit card. Here's a common sense question I normally ask myself. How do I plan to pay off the debt if I don't earn enough money from the extra hours work to give my family a great Christmas? You see guys, when you sit down and write these things down, you quickly realize that it's very possible to enjoy your Christmas holiday with your friends and family. Step 4. Have you ever heard the saying, it's the thoughts that count? When you give someone a present, or you do someone a favor, I want you to know that the kindness behind that act is more important than any other consideration. So if a friend or family member says, "Oh, I'd love to have one of those new things," that is the perfect time to write that thing down. And guys, if you can't buy it, I do suggest that you just go ahead and make it for them. Here are a few tips. You can go onto YouTube and search for DIY gift ideas and find out how to make that special gift for your loved one. Here's another tip for doing things that count. For example, let's say you were taking a walk with your spouse and you guys happen to see a flower pot painting that your partner loves. Even though it costs $300 for that painting and it's not something that you can purchase, you can take a picture of that painting and make a Christmas sweater or t-shirt. Just go onto Canva, which is free to use on a limited service because it does offer other paid subscription services. Now guys, upload that picture of that flower pot that you took and drag it into the canvas where you can redesign it. You can also add some words that might mean a lot to your spouse, and when you're done, you can go to Printify and print that t-shirt out. In all of this, you might only spend about $30. I bet you that your spouse will love that thought that you've put into getting that gift. So even if it's not the actual painting and your partner gets a t-shirt with an image of that similar painting, I guarantee you your partner or spouse will love it because it's better than nothing since you guys weren't able to afford that expensive painting. You get it? One more thing guys, this principle or step goes to those of you who like bringing in elaborate gifts to your spouse. Instead of buying those expensive gifts, why don't you just make them? Remember guys, it's the thoughts that count. Step 5. Guys, collecting store loyalty cards and using them to your advantage is another strategy to save money over the holidays. For example, during the Christmas holiday at Kroger, you can purchase a gift card which allows you to get triple the points on gas. Target also offers gift cards at 5% off. So does Costco, which offers discounts at various rates when you dine in some restaurants. It's crucial that you check out these options guys if you want to save some money on gift cards. So I suggest that you check with your neighborhood Target store as well, since you typically find that discounted Christmas gift card during this Christmas season. Step 6. Here's a brilliant idea for those of you who are married and have children. Instead of engaging in enjoyable activities like visiting a theme park that would cost you a lot of money, I highly recommend that you treat your kids and spouse over the Christmas holiday by driving around your neighborhood in your car. Or you can simply just get into your minivan or SUV with your family and friends. Make sure to take some hot chocolate if you're a fan of chocolate. Also, while you're at it, take some big blankets along with you and stop by certain places where you've got Christmas lights and a huge Christmas tree. While you're doing so, I suggest you tune into your local radio station and listen to all the Christmas music while driving through your neighborhoods.
I'm driving home for Christmas. Oh, I can't wait to see those faces.
Here's another fun thing that I do with my family. We usually drive up to the mall and take a walk inside. You see, my kids love Christmas decorations at each of the stores we walk past. And finally, we get to stop over at the food court to grab a few things to eat. That experience is priceless and I suggest you guys try it. Guys, comment down below if you do such things like that. Okay, now to the serious part. It's not enough to save some needed money during the holidays, even if you get to follow all of the steps I just mentioned. But it's what you do with those saved up money that really matters the most. So I highly recommend that you invest that money preferably in the stock market as compared to leaving it into your savings account. Quick info, the money you've been saving in your bank is also being affected by inflation. But when you invest a portion of your paycheck into the stock market over a period of time, you get to realize the huge gains it offers. That's what the wealthy do. They invest in the stock market and you too can do the same. You might be wondering, how can you start investing in stocks? You see, there are lots of stock trading platforms that allow you to sign up for free and you can actually buy a fraction of a company's share based on the amount of money that you have. This is called fractional share purchase, as well as applying a dollar cost average method. Guys, I do have to point out that the stock market is not a lottery where you get to make a ton of money within days or weeks or even in a few months. From the research I conducted, those people who invest for the long haul make the most money in the stock market because they take advantage of the compounding interest from their investments. It's very possible to start making money within months if you purchase stocks that pay dividends. So if you want to know how to invest in stocks that pay consistent dividends, I highly recommend that you watch this video that I made about it. Guys, it's important to be money smart with your money and it's possible to achieve your financial dreams, especially during the Christmas holidays. Leave your opinions and thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, what did you find most interesting about this video and what other ways do you save your money during the Christmas holiday? Be sure to click the like button if you love this kind of content. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, always stay money smart. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.